Uè, Guagliù, stamattina Napoli spacca. Pigliamo un caffè e yammi a campà. Yamme bella.
Italian slang. Speak like a true local. Ready to move beyond textbook Italian and sound like you've lived in Rome your whole life? Today, we're diving into the colorful world of Italian slang, the secret language that transforms tourists into locals and opens doors to authentic cultural connections. Why book learning falls short. The textbook myth. Traditional Italian courses teach you to say come stai, but Italians actually greet each other with ciao, tutto bene. Real conversations are peppered with expressions you'll never find in grammar books. Native speaker reality. Italians use slang constantly. It's not lazy speech, it's cultural expression. Without these phrases, you'll sound overly formal, like using how do you do instead of what's up in English. Cultural immersion. Slang isn't just about words, it's about understanding Italian humor, emotion, and social dynamics. Master slang, and you unlock a deeper level of connection. The essential React slang. Let's start with 3 absolutely crucial expressions that Italians use dozens of times daily. These aren't just words, they're emotional reactions that show you truly understand Italian spirit. Te figata, literally meaning, what a cool thing. Use this when something genuinely impresses you. A beautiful sunset, an amazing meal, or hearing your friend get promoted. The enthusiasm in your voice is crucial. In bocca lupo, literally into the wolf's mouth, Italians' unique way of saying good luck. The traditional response is crepi lupo, may the wolf die. Never say grazie, it's considered bad luck. Mamma mia, far beyond surprise. Italians use this for frustration, mamma mia che traffico, joy, mamma mia che bello, or complete disbelief. The key is matching your tone to the emotion. Navigating everyday interactions. These 3 expressions will instantly make your Italian sound more natural and help you navigate the rhythm of everyday conversations like a local. Dai, boo, magari. Dai. This versatile gem means come on, but context changes everything. Use it to encourage, dai, tu fai, to hurry someone, dai, andiamo, or express exasperation, dai, basta. Bo, the ultimate Italian shrug in word form. When you genuinely don't know something, bo is perfect. It's casual, honest, and infinitely more natural than non lo so. Pair it with a shoulder shrug for maximum authenticity. Magari. This beauty has 2 meanings. Wistful, if only, magari potessi viaggiare. Or enthusiastic agreement, vuoi una pizza? Magari. Context and tone make all the difference. Beyond the basics, context is king. Slang isn't just about memorizing phrases, it's about reading the room and understanding the subtle cultural cues that make the difference between sounding natural and sounding like a textbook. Regional variations. A Milanese might say Bellin, whilst the Neapolitan prefers Madonna for surprise. Don't stress about learning every regional variation. Focus on standard expressions first, then pick up local flavor as you travel. Tone and body language. Italians communicate with their entire body. Dai with open palms means encouragement, but dai with a dismissive wave shows annoyance. Watch Italian films and notice how gestures amplify the slang. When not to use slang. Job interviews, formal presentations, or meeting your partner's parents for the first time, stick to standard Italian. Slang shows familiarity. Use it only when appropriate. Reading the cultural subtext. Understanding when and how to use slang reveals deeper cultural values. Italians prize authenticity over formality in casual settings. Using the right slang at the right moment signals that you truly get Italian culture, not just the language. Your slang challenge. Time to put these expressions into practice. Here's your mission for the coming week. Number 1, daily practice. Use one new slang expression each day. Start with figata when something genuinely impresses you, even if you're speaking to yourself. Number 2, cultural immersion. Watch an Italian YouTube vlog or Instagram story. Count how many times you hear our target expressions. Notice the context and emotion behind each usage. Number 3, practice with others. If you have Italian friends or language exchange partners, try dropping these phrases naturally into conversation. Don't announce it, just use them and watch the reaction. Quick recap, your new Italian toolkit. For reactions and excitement, che figata, that's amazing. In bocca lupo, good luck. Mamma mia, multi-emotion expression. For daily interactions, dai, bo, magari. Remember, authenticity beats perfection. Italians will appreciate your effort to speak like a local even if your pronunciation isn't perfect yet. These 6 expressions alone will transform how natural you sound in everyday conversations. Continue your Italian journey. This is just the beginning of your authentic Italian journey. Slang is a living language that evolves constantly. The best way to stay current is through regular interaction with native speakers and Italian media. Your homework? Choose your favorite expression from today and use it naturally in conversation this week. Then come back and tell us about the reaction you got. Ready for more insider Italian secrets? Subscribe for weekly doses of real Italian culture, advanced conversational techniques, and the kind of linguistic insights that transform good students into confident speakers. Let's keep this journey going together.